Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to Just Basics. Today we will be unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Edifier X2, and I have been using it for almost a month now. This is a nice budget alternative to Apple AirPods. First of all, we're going to talk about the charging case. For its price, you can't beat the sleek design of this case. It is as thin and as lightweight compared to other cases on the market, but still provides protection for your earbuds when you're not using them. There is no LED lights to show its battery life, but it shows at least a light if it's charging or not. It's shiny white with an accent that adds some class to it. A gloss white finish provides also all the style you need. Now let's talk about the earbuds itself. The one that truly stands out of these earbuds is their battery life. Each charge gives you up to 7 hours worth and at only 10 minutes per charge. The IP54 rating ensures perfect protection from rain or dust, making them the perfect companion for sports activities. The Edifier X2 has one of those rare and exclusive qualities that can only be found in high-end headphones. The AirPod-like half-inch design placement of the speakers offers a more open experience with better overall clarity. This is because not everyone requires such an exact fit for the optimum performance, which results into thin or tiny tunes, even though some may think differently. When it comes to the highest volumes, you may notice a bit more about their earphones' limitations. The Edifier X2 is not as loud or prominent in sound and can get quite nasal when listening to shrill voices. For instance, a phone at full volume. However, these features do not affect its ability when listening actively, like less than 80%. In moderate levels, where I would recommend most people enjoy their music, these problems goes away completely. The bass is punchy and full without being overpowering. It has just enough thump to give the music some extra oomph, but not so much that it will tire you out or make your head nod off. But don't expect the deepest or fullest bass. This is a modest earphones after all. Now talking about call quality, Edifier X2 doesn't perform any less. In fact, their background noise handling ability is better and you sound clearer with more naturality when speaking outside on a call despite wind blocking some of your words from being heard by those nearby, which makes these wireless earbuds great for long-distance communications or video meetings where other methods fail because they don't offer good enough clarity anymore without an amplifier behind them. The Edifier X2 is also a solid choice for gamers. With perfect audio-video sync, both iPhone and Android users will be delighted to know that their device have been designed with an interactive game mode. These handy features reduces the delay in sound effects when playing games on mobile, despite having different rates for each platform. In my test, however, I noticed better results on iPhone than on Android. The Edifier X2 connectivity is solid. They pair quickly with your device thanks in large part to its Bluetooth signal strength, which can reach 9 meters away or more. The controls on the other end are rather lacking. There's no way to return a song directly through these earbuds, but at least it has pause and play. They don't have volume adjustment either. The only option in this case is to use your phone to adjust the settings. So overall guys, the Edifier X2 is a great earphone for its price. You got good sound quality, the battery life is excellent at its price, and protection from other elements. While they may not have all the features of more expensive models, these earbuds are excellent value for your money. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Let me know what do you think about the Edifier X2. Don't forget to leave any comments below, or maybe you have any suggestions that we need to unbox or to feature on our channel. And yeah, thank you for watching once again, and I would love to hear from you all. And for the meantime, thank you for watching, and you can also check out other videos on my channel. And see you on my next video guys. Bye!